Now, in chapter 3.1 of class 7, question number 6. Question is saying draw a number line, एक नंबर लाइन खींचे एंड रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग रेशनल नंबर, और ये जो रेशनल नंबर दिए हुए हैं इस नंबर लाइन पे दर्शाएं कहाँ होगा। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी दैट द रेशनल नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, देन ड्रॉ ए नंबर लाइन in this way, both side arrow symbol is also, then from here 0, first write here 0 and right hand, in the right hand put 1 because it is positive rational number. Now the denominator, see the denominator, what is 4, then from 0 and 1, between 0 and 1 draw, divide 4 equal parts, 3 upon 4, denominator is 4, it is positive, then put here again 0 and right side 1. Now between 0 and 1 divide the number line in 4 equal parts, जितना यहाँ होगा उतने ही पार्ट्स में बांटना है। अब now 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. By counting, this line is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4 कैंसिल होगा तो 1 आ जाएगा। Therefore put the arrow symbol on the number line 3 upon 4, it is the answer. Question B, minus 7 upon 8, what are you saying? This rational number is negative, then draw a number line first of all in this way, and it is negative, so put right into the right hand 0, ध्यान देंगे इस तरफ 0 लिखें क्योंकि ये निगेटिव रेशनल नंबर है, और इधर आप -1 कर दें। नाउ द डिनोमिनेटर इज 8, 0 and -1, between 0 and -1 डिवाइड 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स, यहाँ से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, इस तरह से आप पहले डिवाइड कर लेंगे। अब इन फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट यू हैव टू काउंट, जैसे ये लेफ्ट टू राइट था, लेकिन अब हम राइट टू लेफ्ट चलेंगे। -1 upon 2, -1 upon 8, -2 upon 8, -3 upon 8, -4 upon 8, -5 upon 8, -6 upon 8, -7 upon 8. The question is asking -7 upon 8 on the number line, therefore it is the row is in this way, you can draw and write here -7 upon 8, it is the answer. Similarly you can solve as -7 upon 4, 5 upon 8. इस रेशनल नंबर में आपको डिनोमिनेटर देखना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखना है कि पॉजिटिव है या निगेटिव है। अगर पॉजिटिव है तो लेफ्ट साइड में आप 0 रखेंगे और इधर 1 करेंगे, अगर निगेटिव है तो राइट साइड में 0 रखेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड में -1 करेंगे। ये आप यू कैन सॉल्व C and D both questions in this way. Other question number 7 is asking which of the following pairs represent the same rational number. मतलब ये दोनों जो रेशनल नंबर हैं, फॉलोइंग पेयर्स मतलब जोड़े, ये कहता है रिप्रेजेंट द सेम रेशनल नंबर, क्या ये दोनों इक्वल हैं? हाउ? सॉल्यूशन हियर -7 upon 21, first write here, and by HCF method 7 divides the numerator -7 -1 time, and 7 divide 21 also 3 times, therefore -1 upon 3. Again other rational number 3 upon 9 here, by the HCF method, but it is very easy, 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9, therefore 1 upon 3. We find the result -1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3, but one result is negative and other result is positive, therefore -1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 are not giving same result. Clear? -1 upon 3 for which rational number? तो -7/21 here. Therefore -7/21 and 3/9 are not same rational number. In this way question B you can solve. Question C also is here, -3/5 and -12/20. Question D -3/5 and -16/20. It is clear. Now question number 8. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Simplest form, it means a standard form. A question is 25/40. By the division HCF method, in this way, a smaller number 25 and 40 is larger number. Larger number in the middle of the sign of the division bracket. 25 is outside, 25 ones are 25. After subtracting you get 15. 15 is a smaller again from 25, then put here 25. So 15 ones are 15. After subtraction you get 10. 10 is again a smaller from 15, put here 15. 10 ones are 10. You find after subtraction 5. 5 is a smaller, then put here 10. 5 2 जा 10. जब तक 0 नहीं आ जाए तब तक इस क्रिया को किया जाता है. दिस मेथड इज डन इन दिस वे. You get, when you get 0, then it is clear that which number divides 10. The 5 divides 10 and remainder is 0. Therefore the HCF is 5. Now 5 divides 25 5 times and 40 is divided by 5 8 times. Therefore 5/8, it is the simplest form of 25/40 answer. Similarly -40/72 by HCF method, 48 outside and 72 under the bracket of division. 48 ones are 48. After subtraction get 24. 24 is just smaller than 48 right here. Then 24 to the 48, 0. Therefore HCF 24. 24, if you do not know about the table 24, 24 to the 48. 2 times, but sign is negative, -2. 24 3 is 72. -2/3, it is the answer. Method 2 also saying here that if one's place of digit 0 to 468 divided by 2, 48 -24, 2 times. 2 से डिवाइड किया गया है तो -24 टाइम्स. 2 से डिवाइड किया 36, 2 से फिर 18, 2 से यहाँ -12. सिमिलरली -6 या 9, but -6 3 divides both -6 and 9. 3 to the 6, -2 and 3 3 is 9. In this way -2/3 it is the answer. Same method number 2. Now question number 9. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of, greater than, less than and equal than. Question A is saying -8/5 and -7/4. The solution. First of all, write first rational number -8/5 and multiply numerator and denominator both by the denominator of second rational number. Denominator of second rational number is 4. Then multiplied by -8 into 4 and 5 into 4. 8 4 is 32, -32 is given, minus, and 5 4 is 20. In the same way, you have to write -7/4. And the denominator of first rational number is 5, then multiplied by both numerator and denominator by 5, then -7 into 5 upon 4 into 5, write in this way. Then -7 5 is -35 and 4 5 is 20. What are you finding here? -30/20 and -35/20 is the result of both rational number. In this result you are seeing that both denominators are same. Now The question arises here minus 32 and minus 35, which is greater? When you write 1, 2, 3, 3 is greater, but you are writing minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, which is greater, then minus 1 is greater. मतलब जितना छोटा नंबर होता है वो बड़े नंबर से छोटा हो जाता है। कब? जब माइनस लगा देते हैं। तो जब माइनस नहीं होता तब तो बड़ा नंबर, इट इज द ग्रेटर नंबर, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बिटवीन ऑल थ्री गिवन नंबर। देन minus 32 here and minus 35, both numerators are written here. Then minus 32 is greater. Write this symbol in this way. Minus 32 comes for minus 8 upon 5, and minus 32 is greater than, write here minus 8 upon 5, sign of greater symbol, and then write minus 7 upon 4. In this way the question is completed, the solution is completed by this method. Question B you can solve in this way. Question C and D given as homework. Now question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order from a smaller number to greater number, 1, 2, 3. In this way you have to write. But here minus is given, minus A question minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5. Minus 2 numerator, minus 1 numerator, minus 3 numerator. Which is greater? तो minus 1 is greater. तो ग्रेटर नंबर की तरफ सिंबल बनाना इस तरह से, यानी मुंह खुला होना चाहिए। फिर माइनस 2 माइनस 1 से छोटा है तो इधर बंद होगा, देखो आप। लेकिन माइनस 1 इज ग्रेटर देन, मुंह इधर से खुला होगा, ओपन माउथ। एंड माइनस 3 in the last, then minus 3 is the smallest number. Ascending order, ascending order में the smallest number first of all you have to write, then minus 3, then the symbol will change here because minus 2 is greater than minus 3 and minus 1 is greater than minus 2, then write in this way. We find that the denominators are same. यदि ऐसा नहीं रहता है तो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, LCM मेथड से इसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। उसके बाद यहाँ पर कौन आया पहले, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माइनस 3, देन राइट हियर माइनस 3 upon 5, in the middle minus 2, then minus 2 upon 5, and the symbol also you have to apply here. And minus 1 upon 5 is the greatest number. Then ascending order means a smaller number to greater number. Similarly question B, minus 2 upon 9, minus 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3. Take LCM, see here 9 minus 2 upon 9. Now part of minus 2 minus 12 and 3 जब सेपरेट करते हैं अलग तो माइनस 2 upon 9, माइनस 12 upon 9, 3 upon 9. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 3 upon 9, नॉट माइनस 3 upon 9. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ग्रेटर नंबर 12 इज स्मॉलर एंड माइनस 2 इज ग्रेटर. माइनस 2 से पॉजिटिव नंबर ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन माइनस 12 upon 9, माइनस 2 upon 9 एंड 3 upon 9. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू अप्लाई द सिंबल. माइनस 12 upon 9 द रिजल्ट for which number, in the middle here, then in the middle minus 4 upon 3, minus 2 in the first, therefore the first rational number is minus 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 3, 3 upon 9 for which rational number, at last 1 2 3, 1 2 3, here you are seeing that 1 upon 3, for 3 upon 9 write here 1 upon 3. In this way A and B are solved. Given as homework question number C. Now question number 11. Write 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Question A. 5 rational numbers In order to find 5 rational numbers between two integers, we need to, 2 इंटीजर्स के बीच में 5 रेशनल नंबर हमको ज़रूरत है. वी नीड टू डिवाइड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम, इन दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस तो कहा गया है दूरी के लिए, इनटू एटलीस्ट 6 पार्ट्स. तो 6 पार्ट्स में बांटने का तो यहाँ नहीं है, कोई नंबर लाइन तो है नहीं. नाउ लेट अस कन्वर्ट टू इंटीजर्स इनटू रेशनल नंबर्स. ये जो रेशनल नंबर हैं इसको विथ डिनोमिनेटर 6 डिनोमिनेटर इसका होना चाहिए. जब 6 डिनोमिनेटर होगा तो फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर इंटीजर्स क्या है, ये -1 है, तो -1 अपॉन 1 होगा. जब इसका डिनोमिनेटर 6 हमको बनाना है तो -1 को भी 6 से ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करें 6 से और नीचे भी 6 से, तो -6 अपॉन 6 माइनस, फिर से -1 अपॉन 1 है, 1 था, -1 था लेकिन हम 1 नीचे लगा सकते हैं. नाउ 6 डिनोमिनेटर है 6, तो 6 लाने के लिए नीचे 6 से जब मल्टीप्लाई, व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर 1 by 6, then also multiplied by numerator by 6, then -6 upon 6. Another number is 0 upon 1 you can write. 1 हमेशा आप लिख सकते हैं, हटा भी सकते हैं, but to find the denominator 6, then 1 multiplied by 6 with denominator, then also multiplied by 6 with numerator 0 multiplied by 6 0 is multiplied by any number, the result will be 0, and 6 1 is 6, 0 upon 6. Now the result -6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. Numbers between -6 and 0 is equal to -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. लास्ट 0 होगा और इधर 6 हो जाएगा, -6 होगा. अब -6 अपॉन 6, -5 अपॉन 6, -4 अपॉन 6, -3 अपॉन 6, -2 अपॉन 6, -1 अपॉन 6 and 0 upon 6. But therefore 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. तो ये फर्स्ट और लास्ट वाले को हटाकर काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5. इन दिस वे द आंसर -5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6, -1 upon 6. Homework given as B, C and D. Now question number 12. Question is asking write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. 1 2 3 4. ये नहीं 4, इसके बाद आफ्टर दिस, तो व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, -3 2 जा -6, 5 2 जा 10. बोथ नंबर द रिजल्ट -6 upon 10 is for -3 upon 5 multiplied by 2, both numerator and denominator. -3 3 जा -9, 3 times, then 5 3 जा 15, 3 times continuously. -3 4 जा 12, -12 and 5 4 जा 20. After this -3 multiplied by 4, then -3 multiplied by 5, then by numerator and denominator multiplied by 5, -15 upon 5 5 जा 25. Again write the first rational number -3 upon 5, then after 5 you write here 6 at the denominator and numerator both places. -3 6 जा -18 upon 5 6 जा 30. After 6 7, then write -3 upon 5 multiplied by 7 both numerator and denominator, -3 7 जा -21 and 5 7 जा 35. After 7 is number 8, -3 upon 5, again write here and then multiplied by 8 both numerator and denominator, the result -3 8 ja -24 upon 5 8 ja 40. Therefore 4 more rational numbers is equal to -15 upon 25, -18 upon 30, -21 upon 35 and -24 upon 40. It is the answer. Homework given question number B. Thus exercise is completed.